Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by pruning noisy signals so the algorithm can relearn you. Unfollow accounts that no longer match your interests and clear search and recent suggestions. This removes legacy data that keeps feeding irrelevant posts. Next, follow 5 niche tags and a few high-quality creators in your target topic to send fresh, strong signals. Once done, interact only with content that fits your new focus. Likes, saves, short comments, because engagement is the key signal Instagram uses to populate Explore. Now you curate deliberate engagement patterns so the system recognizes the new preference. Each day, like, save, share, or comment on 10 to 30 posts strictly within your chosen niche. Saves and shares weigh heavier, so prioritize them. At the same time, mute or hide posts and accounts that keep resurfacing. You're telling Instagram what to stop recommending. Also post one focused reel or story using niche hashtags, so your own content reinforces the preference profile the algorithm builds. To finalize the fix, stabilize behavior and monitor results over a week or two. Consistent actions matter more than one-off bursts. If the Explore page still shows irrelevant content, repeat pruning, focus more on saves and shares, and shorten browsing sessions so accidental taps don't send mixed signals. If things go wrong, test with a secondary account to trial new interests without polluting your main profile. This isolates signals and lets you iterate faster until Explore reliably reflects what you want.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.